To the story now of a Westmoreland early childhood principal who've had to end her makeshift school, which has been in operation since the aftermath of the hurricane. Kimberly Petty has more.
I wish that the hurricane didn't come.
That's little Nicoya, one of several students who benefit from Santain Little Foster's homeschool program. It's designed for children at the early childhood level. The young ones have been attending classes here since the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
And so you're at Auntie's school?
Yes,
So how are you liking it?
very good.
And it's comments like these that encourage the educator. Mrs. Little Foster is a principal and a co-owner of Little Star Achievers preschool and kindergarten. With several students displaced after the hurricane, her home became the classroom.
Our school environment was damaged in Hurricane Melissa on October 28, 2025. However, I realized that most of the students were not going to school from that time. So starting out on January 12, 2026, I decided to start engaging the students in education and learning at my home.
When TVJ News visited the principal's home, the children were laser focused, coloring, tracing numbers and drawing. But the educator of over 12 years said it hasn't been easy.
It has been a challenge due to lack of resources, lack of sanitation, and lack of food. The resources that we have is very limited. Resources such as books, pencils, crayons, Play-Dohs, learning materials. We don't have a lot to facilitate all the students that are coming in and out of this little environment each day.
And if that wasn't enough, she's also forced to shut down operations.
We have met roadblocks where I was informed by my developmental officer of zone, in my zone, that it is against the early childhood law to facilitate the children at home. Homeschooling is prohibited at this time. However, I have tried to set up a tarpaulin at the school to accommodate the children. However, it is not sanitized enough.
She explained that if she were to go back to her school that was damaged, she would need proper bathroom facilities, clean running water, among other things. So what's next?
Take a break. I was planning on asking for a tent, and plan A, if I could get somewhere with a proper bathroom, proper running water to place a tent to facilitate the students. And my second plan was also to reach out to other foundations for help, also the government for help, in order for us to get a better location and a suitable facility for the children.
She also made this plea for help so she can resume operations.
I am appealing to the world, to Jamaica, to the world, for those who feel it in their heart to help the children, to create a safe environment, school environment for them, whether it is financial help, whether it is material help of learning resources. You can reach out to me at 893-2405. Mrs. Santain Little Foster, Principal, Co-Operator of Little Star Achievers, Preschool and Kindergarten. I would really appreciate your help.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
Now, if you would like to help Santain Little Foster, you can do so by donating funds to the National Commercial Bank, NCB, account number 614-786159. Again, that's 614-786159.